In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to transfer files to Windows Sandbox. First, make sure Windows Sandbox is already running. If it's not open yet, go ahead and launch it. Once you're inside the Windows Sandbox, you'll see a fresh version of Windows that resets every time you close it. Now let's transfer a file. Start by going to the file or folder you want to copy. You can do this from File Explorer or from your desktop. Once you find the file, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Copy. On Windows 11, the copy icon looks like two pieces of paper stacked on top of each other. After you've copied the file, go back to the Windows Sandbox window. Inside the sandbox, right-click on any blank area and then select Paste. Your file will now appear inside the sandbox. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can do that too. Click once on the file you want to copy. Then press Ctrl and the C key on your keyboard at the same time. This will copy the file. Now switch to the Windows Sandbox window. Click anywhere inside the sandbox to make sure it's active. Then press Ctrl and the V key at the same time. This pastes the file into the sandbox. Keep in mind, once you close Windows Sandbox, everything inside it will be deleted. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.